Let's start with the truth most students don't hear enough. Your resume is not being read, it's being scanned. Recruiters don't read every line, they scan fast, looking for proof that you're worth a closer look. And most resumes get rejected in less than 6 seconds. Not because of typos, not because you're not smart, but because the resume didn't give them anything to hold on to. This video is going to help you fix that. We're going to talk about what actually happens when someone opens your resume, what they're looking for, and how you can make sure they find it fast. Let's break it down. When a recruiter opens your resume, their brain is not thinking, how impressive is this person? It's thinking, do I understand what they want and can they deliver value? And they want to answer that question quickly. So here's what they do. Their eyes go to the top third of the page. They look at your name, your title, maybe your summary. Then they glance at your most recent experience or project. Then they close the tab, or they keep reading. That entire decision takes less than 10 seconds, often closer to 6. This is called the 6-second scan. If your resume doesn't pass it, the rest of the document doesn't matter. So why do most resumes fail this scan? One word: noise. Most student resumes are filled with noise. Buzzwords, vague lines, generic objectives, filler phrases that take up space but say nothing. Let me show you what that looks like. Here's an example. Highly motivated final year BBA student seeking an opportunity to apply skills in a dynamic work environment. Now, here's the truth. Every student is motivated. Every resume is seeking an opportunity. And every company thinks they are a dynamic work environment. That line says nothing specific about you, your skills, or your direction. It's noise. Now let's try something else. Led logistics for a college fest with 2,000 attendees, built systems to manage 40 volunteers, and coordinated with 10 sponsors. That line shows initiative, numbers, responsibility, and scale. It's proof. Here's the big shift I want you to make in your resume. Move from noise to signal. From buzzwords to actual proof. From vague motivation to real contribution. From what you hope to do to what you've already done. Because the resume's job is not to explain your entire journey. Its job is to answer one question for the recruiter. Is this person worth talking to? That's it. If your resume gives a clear yes in the first few seconds, you get the call back. Let's look at what makes a strong top section. 3 parts matter most. 1. A strong headline, not final year student, but something like aspiring data analyst, built dashboards in Excel and SQL, passionate about consumer insights. 2. A focused summary, 2 or 3 lines max, not about what you want, about what you bring, what you've done, what problems you like solving. 3. Recent proof. Highlight a project, internship, or role. Use action words. Use numbers. Show what changed because you were involved. You might be thinking, but I haven't done anything impressive. That's not true. You've done more than you realize. You just haven't framed it yet. Remember, recruiters are not looking for perfection. They're looking for signs of initiative. They want to see that you've started building. Even if you're early in the journey, that could be a class project you took seriously, a side hustle you built for fun, a community event you helped organize, even a self-initiated challenge you completed online. Every one of those things can become a signal if you frame it right. Here's your takeaway from this video. Your resume is a filter, not a full story. It exists to catch the recruiter's attention, not to explain everything, just to earn a second look. If you want that second look, cut the noise. Stop using the same words as every other student. Start showing the things you've actually done. And lead with clarity. Because if they don't understand you in 6 seconds, they won't bother to keep reading. In the next video, we'll help you reposition your story. Even if you have no paid work experience. We'll look at how to take unpaid projects, group work, and college events, and frame them like real-world value. But for now, take a look at the top section of your resume. Would someone scanning it know what you bring in under 10 seconds? If not, that's where we start. Let's fix it. If this video helped shift how you see your resume, give it a like. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. We're going to turn even your unpaid work into real proof of value.
Find your unique value, let it free. Stand tall, rise up, be who you wanna be. Your story matters, sing it loud and clear. You got that spark, ignite it without fear.